The Bahamas will require all cruise passengers over the age of 12 be vaccinated if they want to come on the island. This is causing a little bit of pandemonium as ships are trying to rearrange. People that had previously gotten an exemption will now need to be on another ship or plan a cruise another time. Also, I'm noticing that a lot of the travel agent posts are noticing resorts that have resorts on many islands are also requiring that guests over the age of 12 be vaccinated. So this looks like this is going to be a growing thing on the island. So started with St. Thomas, now the Bahamas. So you might think, well, Bahamas no big deal. I don't want to go to NASA anyway. All the private islands are typically in the Bahamas, so this will impact all of that. Again, causing a big scramble for the cruise line. The videos coming out of the UK about the Scarlet Lady are fantastic. They really have figured this out. The food is good, the entertainment is interesting and fun. The little swimming pool doesn't seem to bother that many people. There's lots of places to go hang out, which is kind of like what they were going to do. So they're really nailing it. So I cannot wait to see the Scarlet Lady later this year. NCL is requiring that all guests be vaccinated, so they will not consider guests under the age of 12, and that's going forward for the next couple of months. The Pride of America is scheduled to start sailing in January of 2022, so if you want to see the Hawaiian Islands, that's a really great way to do that. In general, if you have children under 12 that can't be vaccinated, you might want to reconsider a cruise vacation at this time. All of the really cool things that they would get to do on a cruise ship, you know, all of the things that they'd get to go off and do on their own, all of that's just been suspended because of the virus. So it may not be a great time to go on a cruise vacation if you've got cruisers that can't be vaccinated and they're, you know, under 12, unless they change that policy. So maybe reconsider a cruise for another time, like maybe next year, or consider maybe a different vacation experience, because I think that the under 12 sailors will be a little disappointed in their experience. So by the end of August, there'll be 190 cruise ships on the high seas sailing with paying passengers. So that's quite a feat, considering it wasn't that long ago that we weren't sailing at all. So kudos to the travel lines that are constantly changing their protocols to try to keep up with what's going on in this industry. And then lastly, we are sailing out of California now, so huzzah. Things are kind of gearing back up. So until next week, I'm Charlene. Live your truth and live well.